I spent the best part of my youth feeling shy, awkward, self-conscious, and insecure. When you're going through these emotions, it's very difficult for you to make friends, meet new people, or even talk to people you know. This is because you spend too much time in your own head, judging yourself based on other people's standards and opinions. You also imagine that other people are staring at you and judging you when you walk into a room. You're constantly trying to figure out the best way to act or behave in different situations because you want to fit in and you want people to like you. The truth is, people are much more absorbed with themselves and their conversations and activities to even notice when you walk into a room. And everyone will not like you, no matter how beautiful or popular or awesome you are. And that's okay. So the best way to overcome your feelings of shyness and awkwardness is to just be yourself. Accept yourself as you are and stop trying to fit in or define yourself by other people's standards. You'll just end up stressed, anxious, and tongue-tied each time you find yourself with other people. Be yourself and engage with other people in your own unique way. You may think you're the only one feeling awkward, but even people who appear confident and self-assured have moments when they feel anxious and insecure. Accept yourself for who you are, and you may even find that you have qualities that other people will envy you for. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find more of my motivational videos for young people. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Take good care of you and see you next week.